Lego Prophet here with an update on the Spaceship accident. We've got it back up on its legs. Let me turn it around so you can see. Okay, got it back on its landing gear. Fixing to get this part completed. As you notice, I've got the long staff in now for the motor. Moved the plate back a little bit. Still working on that section. Not really for sure if the plate's going to stay there or not. But we do have, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can, right here, I put a piece across there to hold that up. And then underneath, I put those 1x14s across there to hold it. I don't know if I'll leave them like that or if I'll turn them back the other way, but it's getting there. Still need a few more pieces. Need some 1x6 dark gray Technic bricks. This piece right here to help support the front part of the end of that. But just want to let you know it's going back together pretty good. It's going to take a little time, but it'll get together and bam, before you know it, we'll be putting the Millennium Falcon in it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, please subscribe so that we can start handing away these Lego sets. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.